स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see triangle centers. In that we'll see orthocenter, also perpendicular bisector and some related theories in geometry. So let's start. First of all, we have perpendicular bisector. So I can say a line that bisects a side of the triangle at right angle is called the perpendicular bisector. So if I draw a triangle that is nothing but ABC, so I can say ki AD, so here and here it will make 90. So this is nothing but your altitude, or you can say height, or you can say perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this AD, what it will divide this BC into equal parts, and also it will make here 90 degree. So I can say this is nothing but your perpendicular bisector. Here you can also see ki AD, here in this triangle ABC, AD is nothing but your perpendicular bisector, where AD is making angle here 90 and it is dividing side BC into two equal parts. Same BE is nothing but your perpendicular bisector, where it divides AC in two equal parts, and also you can say C and F is perpendicular bisector and it is dividing side AB in two equal parts. Okay, and also making this angle 90. Okay, that is why it is perpendicular bisector. Moving ahead, on the basis of that we are going to see orthocenter. So what is orthocenter? So I can say if the point of intersection of three altitudes, so these are the three altitudes, that is AD, CF and BE. These are the three altitude and they are intersecting at a point O, you can say, and that point O is nothing but your orthocenter. Okay, so I can say the point of intersection of three altitudes, altitudes means you can say height. Okay, so that is nothing but your orthocenter. So here this is your point O is your orthocenter. Here some related properties is also there, that is angle BOC plus angle A. So here it is angle BOC this, and plus angle A is nothing but this. So that is nothing but 180 degree. How 180 degree, or you can say that is nothing but supplementary. How it is possible? So let's see ki how it is possible. So first of all, I can say ki this angle will be equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. If you don't know vertically opposite, you can say ki this and this is nothing but equal. Same here, I can write this and this will be equal. So I can also say ki this whole angle will be equal to this whole angle. Okay, now what you have to prove? You have to prove angle FAE plus angle FOE is equal to 180. So I can say कि this is nothing but 90 and this is nothing but 90. And you know, in a quadrilateral, the sum of four angle is nothing but 360 degree. So this is 90, this is 90. So 90, 90, 180. Two angles are making 180. So remaining two angle will make what? Another 180. So I can say ki FOE plus FAE is nothing but 180 degree. So here we have already proved ki FOE is equal to BOC. This is angle, this is angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. I have already proved. So at the place of FOE, I can write angle BOC. So here I am writing angle BOC. So I can write FAE, that is nothing but your angle A plus angle BOC is equal to 180. So and here you can also say ki angle BOC is equal to 180 minus angle A. Okay, so hope you are clear. In examination you can get one or two question from this expression, so you have to just understand it. Okay, this is how these two are also taking place. So moving ahead, see the next thing. Now we are going to see some varieties in orthocenter. So this is what your right angle triangle. So we are going to see orthocenter on right angle triangle. So I can say ki in right angle triangle, here it is making 90, and this side is also making here what, 90 degree. So I can say two sides are joining here, है ना, two sides are joining here. You can also say कि the third will join here only, so here it will make orthocenter. So you can say कि orthocenter in right angle triangle will lie on the right angular vertices. Okay, so here it is making right angle, so it is right angle angular vertices this. Okay, hope you are clear. Moving ahead, this is orthocenter in obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means one angle should be greater than 90, है ना. It is making here perpendicular outside the triangle, I can say, and the three perpendicular bisector are making orthocenter here. Means the intersecting point of three perpendicular bisector is making orthocenter here. Okay, hope you are clear with this. So in obtuse angle triangle, you can say orthocenter in obtuse angle triangle will intersect outside the triangle. Okay, moving ahead, and one more property is saying कि in triangle ABC, if these are the perpendicular bisector, I can say कि AD and BE and CF. So these are what, perpendicular bisector. Then you can say कि the sum of all the sides means AB plus BC plus AC will always be greater than the sum of perpendicular bisectors. Means I can say कि AD plus BE plus CF. In case of angle bisector, in case of median, you can also say the sum of three side will be always greater than sum of perpendicular bisector, or you can say sum of medians, or you can say sum of angle bisector. Okay, so hope you are clear with this. One more property is saying कि in an equilateral triangle ABC, so here this is equilateral triangle, means AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, है ना. If AD is perpendicular to BC, I can say AD is nothing but altitude. So you can say कि then 3AB, so I can say कि side square upon this AD square is equal to nothing but, okay, hope you are clear with this, कि I can say कि side, this side or this side or this side, any one side you can take, because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So side square upon AD is nothing but your this altitude, so side square upon AD square is equal to 4/3. The ratio of this is nothing but 4/3. Or you can also say कि side upon AD is root 4/3. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Moving ahead, this is a property, and now we are going to do one question. So in triangle ABC, first of all you have to draw one triangle ABC. So I can say this is our triangle A, B and C. Draw BE. So BE, this is what, BE on AC, and here CF on AB. So I can also say this is your CF on AB, है ना. And the lines BE and CF intersect at a point O. So this is what your point of intersection, and that is nothing but orthocenter, O. So here it is given if angle BAC, so BAC it is given, that is nothing but your 70 degree. So what you have to find then, the value of angle BOC. BOC means this B, this O and this C. this you have to find. So you know that this angle plus this angle is nothing but supplementary, means what, 180. So I can say कि angle BOC plus angle A is 180 degree, and here A is given, so I can say कि this is 70 is equal to 180 plus angle BOC. So if you want to find angle BOC, you can subtract this 180 minus 70, so you will get 1110, and that is nothing but your option number D. So this is how you can do the question of orthocenter or angle bisector or altitudes. Okay, hope you are clear.